There are millions of species in your mind which are magical in nature. The brain inner secrets. In our brain, there are millions of combined receptor. The mind immense capable. Consciously producing. Your mind open up to various possibility and the power of being human. This is about realize being human itself is super. Unlock the miracle of your mind. See, it's been discovered or we have observed that our brain, there are millions of combined receptors. So what does this mean? Lots of speculation went on. So naturally, people who are the dope, they said, this mean everybody must smoke. Or this mean orthoplegy, all of us, all human beings at some time were smokers. Then they come up to that these convenient receptor of there, because the body is supposed to produce this. The brain carries millions of receptors and the body is supposed to produce the combined. So this production can be either on off, depending up to how you have kept yourself, that within yourself you can generate chemistry. It keeps you always blissful. But the most important aspect of it, when it comes for outside, it keeps, maybe it makes you brief amount of time, but it makes you aware. When it comes from within, it keeps you blissful and make you super aware, which is the important thing. So this is not about trying to become some kind of the superhuman being. This is about realizing being human. This video is sponsored. Dwarikadhish Electric itself is super, and once you are blissful by your own nature, you always see that your life is super. It doesn't matter some situation in our life too well. Some don't happen on way, some don't happen our way, but this one should be always happening our way. John Suwal Sadguru, John Suwakla, lovely to be within you. I love you are in a somewhat relation when what you think to the role of physicality in term, you know, so think that you normally don't see it. Normal life are there determined for the reason you just said useful. The nature human mind is such there. Let's look at this way. Video is sponsored by Dwarikadhish Electric and Power Tools and Mandir Vastralaya, Gulab School and SS Jewelers, Mox Marg Road, Mehtabaji Pass, Fatah Nagar. Unlock the power of your mind. Thank you. Dwarikadhish Electric and Power Tools, Fatah Nagar, वार्ड 14। सभी प्रकार के फराटा, फैन, कूलर, स्पेयर, आईसीयू, ओरिएंट, पंखे, सिगड़ी, सभी प्रकार की कूलर मोटरें के होलसेल विक्रेता। पावर टूल्स, स्पेयर पार्ट्स, फ्रिज, एसी पार्ट्स, बल्ब, ट्यूबलाइट एवं सब तरह के मिक्सर होलसेल रेट पर। द्वारिकाधीश इलेक्ट्रिक एंड पावर टूल्स, चंगेड़ी रोड, फतेह नगर, आपकी अपनी शॉप।